2011 Honda Civic. So the radio would look like this. The dash right there was broke. The customer knew about it, and someone tried to pull it out one time before. And what you're gonna have to do, you got two screws down here. I'm gonna show you. The reason I pull it out first because I want to show the screw. It's be down here right there. Just pop this piece off right here, and then you see two screws, one on the left and one on the right. And once you get that off right there, you want to unplug everything. I'm gonna pull it off. You want to get this off too, so you want to pry this piece out, the left side right here, and then there's a Phillip right there. Just take that Phillip out. This whole thing will come out too, so that way you can pull this out. You can pull this out first, and then once you got that out, you can pull the whole radio out. And then there's a bunch of plugs that you have to unplug. You got all this plug. You got two plugs right here. All of this are pushed in and unplugged. And then you got antenna adapter. And then you got all this wire right there for the radio. The only thing you need to plug back is this piece right there for the new radio. I am going to need is 71722, and the installing a Planet Audio P350MP, just a Bluetooth radio. And also you're going to need a mounting kit. You're going to need a 997821. It's big, so it's going to look exact like that. Start with the bottom one first and try to pull it in really hard in there. Next thing, I'm going to take this screw off right there. We'll take this screw right there off, and that off, and this two off, and then this two right there, and then this two. Whoa, am I upside down? And what I have to do now, I got to get this off right there, this off, and this two off right there, and then there's two more to get out right there. And then you're going to have all that screw out for the vent. What you want to do right here, you want to take like a flathead or something that can be not damage this part right there, and put it in there and then pry it out. They should be pried out pretty easy like that. I mean, I pry it out because my one hand right here that doing it, all that. So pry these and this out, and the rest are ready to flip and screw. That they come with this one right here. You can use that screw or you can use this. And for me, I'm looking at this and see what they look like. See right there, all metal right there, and then the plastic going this side. So, and then all of these are metals. I'm gonna just follow the same instruction. I mean, just look at the same, or you can just pry this off and put it on here. Same thing. One thing you want to watch out is the piece right here, right there. You want it flat like that. You don't want the regular one. There's two different types. Actually, they are the same. Okay, that's fine. Just making sure that this is out here, the flat one. Because if you put the other side the other way, it's gonna hit the other dash. Now what I do, I follow the old one and the new one right there where this part is gonna be at. This is out, and then this is out, and this plastic all the same. Now I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna do it one at a time. Make it easy. You take this off and then take this out. Take this out and then take this out later. That'd be the last one. Now for some reason, I don't know, they come with the short screw, but it doesn't have enough. It's got see, this is all the screw that came with it, and I'm missing two for this, actually three for the vent right there. So I might have to use that screw that the original screw. This is an aftermarket screw. This back, you want to look at this right there. You want to make sure this is on the right, the bigger side in there. Like, it's kind of hard to see, but you're gonna have to look for that before you pop it in there. If not, it's not gonna go in. Alright, well, some radio is meant to work like this, where you put this on each side like this. And I can't do this because it don't look that good on this one when you take it off. This is a cheaper version. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in like that, and make sure this metal pushed it in, so when you push it in, it snaps in right. If you don't, it's not gonna snap. So I'm take a flathead and turn this piece so it stay. Same as the other piece. And still a little bit loose. Find the right metal that hold it right.
Kian.
That one. Yeah, push all this side right there. This side, so it won't move. There we go. So now I'm ready to put it in, and I want to explain something. Put it in is easy, but the problem is you might not have sound. So if you're doing this car stereo, well, let me put it in first. I'm gonna put it all in. Make sure the wire is plugged in. Making sure everything is already in too. It's the bottom right there for the furnace, for the heat. Plug that in. And plug the green and the blue wire in. You can't see it, but it's just make sure you do that. Now once you get that in, you want to put it down that way. I'm trying to move that out a bit. Want to make sure that this wire is all the way up here, because you don't want to reach your hand in there. This thing is sharp. Some of them radio are really sharp. I got cut a few times already yesterday and today. So make sure it's out like that. And then now you want to make sure it's aligned in. Okay, right there. Let's get it right. Now it took me a little bit to get it in, because you got to line this thing right, and you got to get this thing in first right there. Once you align this vent right there, vent hole right there, it should be good. Now you can put this thing back on top. It's going to stay on top of it. Align it first. Remember, this car is really fragile, easy to break. Tap it, you got to tap it really good too. I got one screw right here to do. It's a Phillips right there. Okay, once you get that done, just lift it up a little bit, align the hole and tap it in. Okay, now that's good right there, that's done. Okay. Here is the audio part. what I'm doing is the harness right here. I plugged all here. I plug all the power wire, the ground and everything already. Well, one thing is that after you plug this thing, there's no sound, okay? What to do if there's no sound with the this Honda Civic right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you right here. On this gray 20 pin connector right there, you wanna hook up this number 15 on this gray pin connector right there. Now there's two gray. This is a 16 pin connector. This is 20. This is a smaller one. So it's next to the white. It's number 15. It's next to the white. So if you don't tap this thing on, your amp will not come on, and you will not get no sound. And you're gonna wonder why your radio. I mean, it took me a while to kind of figure it out too. So because I forgot, I've done it a couple of times, but it's been a while ago. I went into this guy's website, not website, this channel, and then I got it from him. But because I look in my diagram, it showed me number 16 is the wrong one, but you want a number 15, and the color might not look like light blue, but it is light blue. It look like a gray. So you plug that in. After you plug that in, it should come on. I mean, your amplifier should come on. If not, you don't have an amplifier. So that's it. All I had to do is plug this in and push it in. It should work.
In a video address to his security council, he praised and negotiate with Russia directly.